Today we're talking about heat pump tumble dryers, the dryer trend saving energy and protecting clothes. A heat pump tumble dryer is a modern type of clothes dryer that reuses warm air rather than heating new air each time. This means it uses less electricity and is gentler on your clothes. Here's why they're getting popular. Heat pump dryers sometimes take longer per cycle than traditional dryers, and you might pay more upfront, but in the long run, you save money on your energy bill. Don't forget to clean your lint filters and check your user manual for maintenance. This keeps your dryer efficient and long-lasting. If you found this helpful, like and follow for more home gear tips.